So to make dandelion kimchi, you need to get the dandelions with their roots, and you're looking for young plants before flowering, ideally. But these are just about to flower; they're still good, and the flowers will eat flowers as well. So we need to wash them, get rid of all the sand, get rid of all the old wilted and blemished leaves, and we're looking for something like this. So after about 6 hours in salt, I've washed dandelions in cold water a few times. I've changed the water in the bucket like 4 times already, and you want to get rid of excess moisture. That's why you add salt. And now we want to get rid of excess salt. A little bit will remain, and that's good because that will help with the process of lactofermentation. Salt is there to inhibit the growth of pathogens such as molds and unwanted bacteria. Now you need to squeeze as much water out of as possible. Dandelions are a little bit tasty, a little bit salty, still a bit bitter, but they won't be after fermentation process. And the roots, that's the important thing. It would snap. Fresh root should snap, but you see now after salting they're wilted. They're kind of soft. It's a rubbery texture. Again, just to summarize, we're making a Napa cabbage and dandelion kimchi today. Earlier on, I've picked, washed, salted, drained and squeezed out excess moisture from the dandelions. Similar story with the Napa cabbage. Cut into 2 to 3 centimeter pieces, salted and then washed and squeezed out. And a kimchi paste made from muli or daikon, carrots, wild leek, few flowered leeks, and rice flour porridge, 2 tablespoons of fish sauce per 1 Napa cabbage. We've got 5 decent size Napa cabbages here, so that gives you about 10 tablespoons of fish sauce, about 200 grams of ginger, and about 25 to 30 cloves of garlic in here, and red pepper flakes. I don't have a gochugaru, that's not the original one, that's I don't know, it's a Chinese brand made in China, but it does the job, and it's much cheaper. And the thing to remember is that when you use dandelions and after washing, they tangle, so you really want to untangle them for even distribution in the jars. Otherwise you'll end up with a clump of a dandelion in one jar, and yeah, so just make sure to untangle them and spread out evenly. I'll be fermenting them in the glass jars. This is about 3 liters, that's about 1.5 liters, and I've got a smaller ones as well. You can ferment in a bigger vessel and then just eat as you please, or transform them after an initial process you can transform them into smaller jars. This one is about 250 milliliters, and then you can just pack it tightly, get rid of all the air, and then you can store it in the fridge for quite a while. So yeah, now I'm just going to mix that and put it into jars. And this is the same kimchi after 3 days. So you can see the gas pockets here. That's most likely carbon dioxide, possibly some other gases as well. Our kimchi is ready. It's soft enough. It is tangy, it's sour. That's the dandelion. So yeah, it's it's really nice. So the root is not bitter anymore. Just after 3 days, tastes like any other vegetable. Very tasty.